Okay, I just created this account so I can show you, once you started your basic account, how to immediately switch over to see analytics. In the top right hand corner, you see these three dots. Hit that. Then go to privacy and settings. At the top it says manage my account. Hit that. See at the bottom it says switch to pro account. As of now, in March 2020, it's still free to do this. So hit switch to pro account, get a pro account, hit continue. It's going to give you access to accounts. Hit continue again. Now for this, you have a bunch of options to describe who you are. You should be accurate with this. So if you just want to be more generic, you could put public figure at the top. But if you do makeup, do beauty and fashion. If you're a painter, do art. If you like to cook, do cooking. Think about what your main brand is. Like if you just do dances, hit music and dance. If you're an architect, you might want to hit other. Go through these and figure out the most accurate one. So for this is for hype course. I'm going to put public figure. Hit next. Okay, it's going to verify your email. Hit next. Or you can use your phone if you hit it at the bottom. And then they're going to send you a 6-digit code. Go to your email real quick. Refresh it if you need to. It's going to send you that code. Grab that code. Copy it from your email. Just go back over. And if it doesn't let you paste it in, which is not letting me paste it in, just look at it right there, 693. Yours is going to be unique, obviously. This ain't brain surgery. It's good. All right, welcome to your pro account. Boom. Now, starting now, it's going to start registering analytics. It hasn't done that yet because I just started, obviously. But that's how you do when you set it up. Go back and then start making your TikToks.